Hello men of culture, we meet again. Don't worry, this video is not clickbait and what you've read in the title is definitely correct. Before we move on, I like to give credit to pep.ph website, published a day ago by Bernie V. Franco. The title of the article I came across with is "A teacher posting math tutorials on Corn site earns 15 million pesos a year." Wow. Now, to set your expectation, guys, we'll be substituting a couple of words into mature website or Cornhub in order to adhere with our YouTube guidelines. A Taiwanese math teacher named Shang Shu gained attention by posting hundreds of calculus tutorials and videos on Cornhub, a well-known mature site. That's starting in May 2020. His unconventional approach proved effective as Cornhub attracted 11.4 billion mobile visits globally between 2022 and January 2024, ranking number 16th among the 51 most visited websites as of August 2024, according to SEMrush and SimilarWeb. Shang's two accounts, namely Shangsumat 666 and Shangsumat, garnered 1.8 million views with 8.8 subscribers and 3.4 million views with 17.3 subscribers respectively. His videos regularly receive 5 to 6 figure view counts, and the global attention led to many students to enroll in his paid classes on other platforms. Now, as reported by Channel News Asia in 2021, Shang earns 7.5 million new Taiwan dollars annually. That's equivalent to $269,300 or 15 million pesos. Now, after pondering on the details of this article, which I read and shared, I'm thinking if Cornhub can be considered as an alternative platform where creators can also share videos, considering the saturated space on the YouTube platform, especially for small creators. What do you think, guys? Feel free to comment your thoughts and let's continue our conversation. Thank you.